Hey, it's Acoustic Paint. I'm Elizabeth, and today I'm going to be showing you what art supplies I'm bringing with me on my spring break trip. So before we start the video, just thought I'd let you know, if you hear any weird noises in the background, where I live, we're currently experiencing like 55-mile-per-hour wind gusts. So if you hear a weird noise, I'll try and cut it out at editing, but it's either trash cans blowing down the street or the window shaking. So just thought I'd let you know. On to the video. Unlike my last trip, which was a car trip, which meant I could bring more art supplies, this trip is actually a flight. It's going to be about an 8-hour flight, so I can't bring a ton of stuff, but I want to bring stuff to use both on the trip and on the flight because, let's be real, you can't bring big stuff to do on an 8-hour flight. So let's start at the very beginning. Just like last time, I'm bringing my sketchbook. I'm almost done with this one. I say almost, I've got quite a few pages left, but it's the standard hardcover sketchbook by Master Touch. I think I got it for like $3 at Hobby Lobby. I really wanted to take my ELO sketchbook, but since I haven't finished this one, I haven't opened this one yet, and I don't want to start it on a flight. I don't know. That might be weird, but whatever. Next, we've got two pretty basic supplies, a kneaded eraser, and my favorite Bic 4-color pen. It's got standard colors, blue, green, black, and red. You've seen this in my ballpoint pen sketching video, and I love to sketch with ballpoint pen, so might as well bring it along. I'm sure if you remember my last travel art video, I brought two pencil cases with me. I brought my regular pencil case with just my graphite pencils in it, and then I brought this recycled case with like an elephant print on the front that had my pens and everything else that I use. But, oh, I just zipped it up. Like I said, because it's a flight, I kind of wanted a harder pencil case, and I used to use this for school. But yeah, look at how unintentionally organized this is. So let's start on this side. It's pretty basic. Come on. I'd say the only downside about this is that it's kind of hard to get the pencils out of the case, but that's okay. I've got all of my General and Kimberly pencils. I hate to admit it, but since this review, I've been using these pencils so much. I absolutely love them. My Royal graphite pencils have kind of fallen to the wayside. And then I've got a Jelly Roll in the size 10. I don't really like Jelly Roll light pens. Jelly Rolls don't seem to work for me very well, and the 10 is the only one I can get ink out of. I have an 8 and a 5, but I just can't get any ink out of those. I've thought about emailing the company, but I just decided it's not worth my time, but I want to use them up before I get new ones. And then I've got two Faber-Castell eraser pencils. I usually only use these during large pieces, like if I'm doing a large graphite portrait or something. But I've been using them a lot with just my regular sketchbook, and I find they're very, very helpful. Then, just your standard Ticonderoga school pencil, for if I ever need to write things and don't want to use my drawing pencils. And then, these are one of my favorite art supplies, so of course I'm going to bring them. These are the Prismacolor Color Erase pencils. They have an eraser on the end, but obviously color on the front. And I use them to sketch all the time just because I think they make my sketches look a little more interesting. And this side is also pretty basic. These are well loved. I use them all through Inktober. I think these are my Pentalic pens. As you can see, many of the little caps are missing or have rubbed off, and the labeling on the side has rubbed off, but I love these pens. And then your standard, I think this is a Master Touch eraser. It came with my Royal pencil set, and I really, really like this eraser. I've got two more, but I haven't used them yet because this one still works. Like, it's not gotten dull at all, which is really nice. And it's metal, so it's heavy duty. Since I've shown you guys all these art supplies, I was just thinking, why don't I just use them in a video right now? So, let's start drawing. Alright, so I just finished drawing this wolf with my travel art supplies that I'm taking with me on my airplane trip in a few weeks. I'm gonna wrap this video up really quick because the gusts outside are getting stronger and it's really loud in the studio right now. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, click that subscribe button and notification bell so you're alerted every time we post a new video. Comment down below if you enjoyed this video, share this video with someone if you think they'll like it. That is all. Thank you so much for watching and have a fabulous day. Bye!